So you want to assign the task automatically to your team member. GoHighLevel can do that for you. And in this video, I will show you how you can easily set up that. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and check the link from the description to get the 30 days free trial on GoHighLevel, and you will get the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses. So just use the link from the description and let's get back to the video. Now once you are inside the GoHighLevel dashboard, by logging in your account, move on this automation tab here and you will be on this page. So I'm in here and click on this create a workflow, then go with this is start from scratch. Now give it a name, assign task. Okay, now click on this add new trigger. Now you have to set a trigger as the form submitted or the pipeline stage change, anything which one you want to add as a trigger. So I will go with this form submitted and I will select this form, like only this form, the registration form, then this form, then just click on this save trigger, and here you have to click on this little plus icon here to add an action and search for the assign. Okay, assign to user, this one, and if you want then you can change the name here, and here you can see all of your team member and you just need to select the person as a task manager. So let's say I want to give this task to this member. Okay, now click on this save action, and that's it. We have successfully assigned this task to a member. Now every leads get the assign automatically by using this workflow, so you don't have to do any manual work. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.